welcome back to Jean's 25 Days of Baking Day 17. Here are the ingredients that you will need for today's video. You will need puff pastry dough, cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter. So first we started off by taking our puff pastry dough, rolling it into about 9 slices with a pizza cutter, and then we just folded it back and forth until it made a Christmas tree shape like this. We used our skewer and stuck it through. We did do it upside down the first time, then we flipped it over and it was all good. So make sure you put it a little bit lower than the top of the skewer because it is going to puff up. And then we just did that with the rest of them. Next, we put them on our nonstick pan and we added our butter. After adding the butter, we added some cinnamon. You can also add sugar or whatever you like. Next, we put it in the oven for about 400 degrees. I'd say 15 to 20 minutes or until brown. And this is what they look like. They look so good. They look like cute little Christmas trees. And guys, you need to try this. Make sure you comment down below if you do. We'd love to know. We love seeing you guys try our foods. And comment if you tried it. And make sure to follow us on our Instagram at Jean's Inspire Zone. Make sure to like, turn on post notifications, and everything else and all that jazz. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Bye!